How to upgrade the firmware of our Sonicwall Firewall. Sonicwall will notify you via email and via device notification if firmware upgrade is available. Download the firmware on your device and upgrade your device after work hours. Go to Device tab and select Firmware and Settings. There you can find the latest firmware that you downloaded. Before installing the new firmware, you need to back up the latest configuration to be safe if in case there is an issue in the update. You need to be aware also that there are two options in booting the firmware. One is with current configuration, which will retain all the current configuration, and the other option is the factory default, which will erase all the configuration and back to default settings. Choosing the wrong option may cause disaster in your upgrade, so be careful with these options. After creating a local backup, you can now boot the new firmware with current configuration. Remember to boot the device after work hours. The device will restart and will cut the internet connection for the duration of the upgrade.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.